Hey, how's it going? It's John here again. Actually, I wasn't even too sure I was going to do this as part of a video, but I figured, oh, what the heck. So I'm just going to do this tree here for this video. Actually, this is going to be part of another larger project, but anyways, it'll just be for this tree here. It's going to be a type of pine tree. I've already actually kind of laid it out already. So I drew a rough-in trunk here and just did a squiggly line here, just for some for the foliage and everything like that. And then it's up to you if you want to show branches or not. It's going to be fairly thick, so there won't be much branches anyways to see anyways. So let me just go ahead here now. So I'm just doing these little tiny little lines here. It's pretty easy to follow. Kind of like how you see like a pine tree. Small pine tree branches, these are little needles, and they all come out like a little stem. Well, I'll just show you in pencil here what I'm trying to say. Like, here's your little pine needle bunch here, right? So you get a little branch here, and they all sort of come out like this, right? Kind of like a feather, I guess. So that's what I'm basically drawing, but actually I'm going to use the, I think I'm going to switch to the 0.3 here. 0.3 always clogs. I don't know why. It's the problem with the 0.3. It always clogs up on the right wing. The 5s and the 0.2s are fine, but the 0.3, I don't know why it does that all the time. So I guess I'm not using the 0.3. Actually, let me get back to you. I'm going to use the 0.3. I'm just going to turn the camera off and try to fix this guy here, right? So 1 second. Okay, I'm back now. Hopefully that fixed it. Let's try that again with the 0.3. That's a little better. I'll zoom in with the camera in just a second here. So just to try to show some branches that poke through this main trunk here. So I did that here. I let this show through, and I have some small branches coming off here. So I'll draw a little one here as well. I just leave those, blank. Just 2 lines. That's all you really need to do. Just to indicate that there's a branch there, and then just darken around it so it stands out more. Branch like this. And they do get a little bit wider as you go down. So make these ones, not all of them are going to be wider, but just start to show a few thicker than other ones, and then like this, right? So areas around the main trunk here, I'm just hatching it dark solid. You don't have to go into the super detail of the as you do on the outside perimeter. Also, if you notice here, like as you're going down, there's sort of an unpredictability in the size of the branches. You know, they go smaller than bigger, but then they kind of go a bit smaller, bigger, bigger, smaller, all over the place. This keeps it random and more natural looking to do that. Again, yeah, just leave some areas of bark showing. That's very important to do that. Thing is, actually, this totally does not look like my reference photo. When I originally kind of scribbled out a basic shape to follow, I kind of was following the sketch, but then as I went, I just kind of did my own thing, which is no big deal. You just want it to look natural anyways. If you're sort of following a photo, and sometimes you try to go too exact to the photo, it can look a little bit too fake, you know what I mean? Well, that's pretty much it. So if you made it this far, that's great. Again, this is part of another project I'm working on. So I just did the trees as a separate video. So anyways, that's it. Bye for now.